Thank you, thank you. Dear sisters and brothers, I really appreciate so many people's expression of warm feeling. I very much appreciate. I dedicate my body, speech and mind, well-being of other as my main daily practice. So when people showing real sort of warm feeling, that gives me more sort of enthusiasm. So I very much appreciate. Then also, you see, those singers, musicians, most of you, white hair. You see, so this, when I look the hair, quite white, but their sort of voice and the physical sort of action looks very youthful, very forceful. So that gives me encouragement. Myself now 80-year-old, but I should be like you, more active.
Yes, but your voice is stronger than mine today.
Thank you. So now we all, same human being, we all want a happy life. Actually, each day is new day, new birthday. So we, every morning when we wake up, think, now this new day, birthday, I must carry this birthday, happy sort of day. And in order to be happy day, keep here more compassionate feeling, sense of concern of others' well-being. That's the ultimate source of happy mind, happy feeling. That brings self-confidence. That creates honest, truthful. So your life, that new day become more meaningful day. Through that way, that day carry transparent. That brings trust. Trust is the basis of friendship. We are social animal. Friendship very important. Friendship cannot buy money or cannot bring by force. Only warm-heartedness. So that, I practice that. So I want to share with those good wishes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.